Hi, ladies, and yep, we're all ladies. Welcome to one of your first yoga classes with me. If you're new to me or new to the Happy Healing Cove, my name is Brittany Allen. I'm the founder of this group, and I'm also a yoga teacher. So, yoga is a big part of my spiritual journey, and it really was a catalyst to me to start my spiritual journey and just to start loving myself. Hey, Tanya, thanks for hopping on. I love it. So I just love to bring yoga to women because I feel like it's one of those good things to multitask because we can work our mind and our bodies at the same time. Also, I think it gives you a nice butt and it gets your abs together. So, really though, I just wanted to give you guys a nice gentle yoga flow this Friday to create some self-love for you as you go into your Friday night. So, my mat's behind me. Go ahead and get your mat and some water if you haven't already. I'm going to go back to the mat. So if I don't comment, I apologize. But I'll come back and comment and catch up with you after, okay? It's not going to be long, less than 20 minutes. We're just going to open up some good space in our bodies because, Lord, it's Friday. So I'm going to meet you at the mat, okay? And this is a great time for you if you can. You can grab your block if you have one, or you could grab pillows. But we're going to just start an easy sitting pose here. Called crisscross applesauce in preschool or however it feels comfortable for you. So if you find yourself not being able to sit this way comfortably, if you have two blocks, this is where one could go. It feels amazing, actually. If not, that's okay. But find something comfortable. Even if these your legs aren't comfortable, you could like sit with them forward. I'm very big on modifications, so I'll be walking you through them so you don't have to feel like you have to do what I'm doing because I love making yoga accessible. So we're going to start an easy sitting pose. Roll your shoulders down and back. Take a nice deep inhale in. Exhaling completely through the mouth. And we're going to do that a few times, but I want you to imagine you're just sitting back just a little bit more as if there was an imaginary wall behind you, because we often want to hunch forward on our desk and on our phone. So we're going to pick up our head, pick up our crown, and roll our shoulders down and back and sit up nice and tall like the queens we are. We're going to breathe here. Inhale deeply into the belly. Exhaling completely, relieving any stress picked up from Monday until now. Do that again. Inhale deeply into the belly. And exhale completely. Beautiful. And so right here, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me, but we're going to start with some heart openers and some shoulder relievers because I don't know about you, but I work at the desk all week, and these are one of my favorite poses to help me. The pose I'm about to show you got 5,000 views on Instagram, so I think a lot of people like this move, and it's called seated cat-cow, but we're going to add our arms with it. So we're going to inhale, bring the arms nice and wide like a T here, and you're going to bring your heart forward, and your gaze is going to come up. And then you're going to exhale round, bringing the right arm over left, giving yourself a self-love hug, and curling in, bringing the elbows down. Then we're going to inhale, open up, tee the arms, gaze comes up. Exhale, left arm on top, self-love hug on the other arm. We're going to do this one more time. Both sides. Inhale, tee the arms, gaze comes up. Exhale, bring the left one over this time. Then we're going to exhale, tee the arms nice and wide. Open up the heart and the throat. And exhale, bringing hands to prayer at chest. Beautiful. And now I'm going to turn to face you. We're going to do seated cactus arms. So we're going to inhale, lift our arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms, bringing the elbows out wide, imagining your shoulder blades are gliding gently down your spine. We're going to do that a few times. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Bringing them slowly down the spine. You're doing beautiful. I'm very proud of you. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Exhale, slowly bringing them down. Beautiful. I want you to take your left hand, place it on your right knee. Now, this might be where you are, but I want you to imagine pressing down into your left sits bone. And you want to sit up nice and tall like the queen you are. Roll those shoulders down and back. So if this is where you are, you could just be, your gaze is going towards the right. You don't have to twist. But if you'd like a deeper twist, go ahead and begin to energetically turn the heart towards the side of the room, and your gaze can come over your right shoulder. So I'm just going to turn and do it, but I don't like to turn my mouth away from the phone so you can still hear me. So we're going to turn, breathing here. And we're going to inhale, lift our arms on up. Then we're going to exhale, go to the other side. We're going to go ahead and place that right hand to the left knee. If you're a beginner, you stay right here, but roll those shoulders down and back and just gaze over towards the left. Or you can begin to gently turn the heart towards the left more. Gaze is going to come over the left shoulder. Breathing here. And we're going to inhale, lift our arms up. Exhale, hands to chest, bring it down. Beautiful. So from here, we're going to go ahead and extend our legs out long. Go ahead and give them a nice little shake out from sitting in easy sitting pose. And we're going to go ahead and like lift your little butt up there, because if you have a little bit of extra, and sometimes of the extra skin can keep you from sitting comfortably, so you can like lift up on your rump. And you want to straighten your legs. You could have a bend in your legs if you're a beginner, like, well, my legs don't touch the ground. You can always keep your knees up here. You could place a pillow or a block under your knees to give you some support. Or you can bring the feet down. What's most important here is that your toes are pointed up and you're sitting up nice and tall. We're just going to do a forward fold. So we're going to inhale, lift our arms up. And exhale, fold. Now, you might be placing your hand on your knees. You could be placing them at your ankle. You might even be able to grab your toes. And wherever you are, that's amazing. But just go ahead and go to where it feels good. Don't feel like you need to press past pain. And we're just going to hold it right here. Inhaling and exhaling. You can even drop your chin to chest. Gently shaking the head no. Giving the neck a little massage this way. And then go ahead. We're going to inhale, halfway lift, so don't come all the way up. And then exhale, fold. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Beautiful. So we're going to inhale, lift our head on up. And from here, we're going to bring our left foot into our right thigh. So we're still keeping that right foot straight and engaged, the right leg straight and engaged with our foot flexed. Rolling those shoulders down and back. We're going to do the similar thing, but we're just going to bend over one leg. So we're going to inhale, lift our arms up. Exhale, fold. Breathing here. Opening up the hips a little bit more. And inhale, lifting on up. Beautiful. We're going to switch sides. So bring that right foot into the left thigh. Left toes come up. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Remember to go to your comfort and then use your exhales to help your body relax. And head up. And then for our last pose, we're going to do Baddha Konasana. So we're going to bring the soles of our feet together. And so you might be like, whoa, this is way too tight, Brittany. My hips don't like this. This is a good place for the blocks or pillows. But I love this pose from sitting at the desk. My hips get really tight, so this is a good hip opener. So your hands can come to your ankles. You're going to sit up nice and tall, roll your shoulders down and back. You're going to take a few deep breaths here, allowing gravity to slowly pull your legs down. They may not come down flat, and that's completely fine. If you find that your diamond here is a little bit too tight and it's uncomfortable to sit, you can always extend your feet out so it's not so tight and bunched up. And then whenever you're ready, go ahead and slowly pull your heart forward with your biceps and then fold forward if you can. And then go ahead and bring your chin to chest here. Shaking the head no again. Breathing here. Inhale, lifting your head up. And we're going to end just where we started with easy sitting pose with the other leg forward first. So I had my right leg in front of, that's normally the way I start. And I'm just going to close this out with a simple guided meditation to start the weekend off right. So go ahead and close your eyes down, roll your shoulders down and back. Begin to drop into your feeling body and out of your thinking mind. Start taking nice deep inhales into the belly, feeling your belly expand. You can take your right hand to the belly, and on your next inhale, feel it expand right in your hand. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling completely out of the mouth. Inhaling deeply into the belly, feeling it rise. Exhaling completely. Inhaling, focus on breathing in loving white light into your lungs. Exhaling completely out of the mouth. Inhaling that white deeper into the belly. Exhaling anything no longer serving you through your mouth. One more time, a nice deep inhale into the belly, imagining filling your entire chest and belly with this white light. Exhaling completely through the mouth. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and place both of your hands either on your lap. You can be placing them hand palms down for grounding if you need that. Or you can place your palms on your lap with your palms up for receiving. My nose is itchy, I'm so sorry. And we're just going to take a few more deep breaths here on our own. Enjoying our little mini gentle yoga practice. Allowing your body to download in the self-love and the good vibes you just gave to yourself by joining me on the mat for just a few moments. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and slowly open your eyes. You can wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And I'm going to come over to you now so I can see if there were any comments. Let's see here. Oh, Becky did the self-love hug. Yay, I'm happy. And I feel like we're very divinely connected, friends. So I'm happy to hear that self-love hug gave you a little bit extra love, Becky. Thank you, Tanya, Becky, and Aletha. Thank you for hopping on. yoga is just my way to share love to other people. So I hope that this was helpful to you. Hashtag replay if you're catching this after. Let me know how you felt after. And I would love to know too if you'd love to see more yoga videos here. Or just, you can always make a post like, hey, Brittany, I want to learn about magic, or I want to learn about yoga. I'm here to serve you guys, to bring love to you guys. So if I can help you in any way, please let me know. If you have like this a burning self-love spirituality question, I got you. Okay, so have a wonderful Friday. I'm like really excited. We're in Mercury retrograde right now, so I just want you to take things slow. Think twice before you say something. I'll say that again. Think twice before you say something, because Mercury retrograde is all about our communication, technology, also our mental emotions. So if it's feeling like really heavy for you right now, know that you're not alone. My spiritual coach even said it was heavy for her. So even people who practice spirituality consistently, we still feel the stuff that's going on. It's not like our life is perfect, but be gentle with yourself. Don't take things too seriously. The card I pulled today was play, and I'm going to post that in our group. So I hope that everyone here have some fun this weekend. Play, do something you love. I'm personally going to yoni steam tonight. That's not playing, but it's something that I love that refills me. I'm also going to be painting, so I'd love to know too. Comment below, what is your self-love plan for this weekend? Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you in my group. And I will see you next Friday for another fun class. What do I have planned yet? I don't know. We'll find out on Monday. Have a good weekend.